Okay, but anyway, what I am doing now is I'm attempting to adjust the brakes on my N series tractor here. I have a 8N. Not exactly sure what the year of this tractor is at this particular time, but this is how you're supposed to adjust the brakes. It's a painstaking thing because you gotta have a good light so you can see the adjustment in here where I'm trying to put my screwdriver onto. And you want to put a good amount of pressure on that little cog there with the end of your screwdriver, and that way it turns, as you can see. And that's how you adjust the brakes on these tractors, which ironically is the same way that you adjust the rear drum style brakes on an older car or a pickup truck. So I'm hoping that this is a little bit more informative than some of the other videos I've seen on YouTube recently for 8N tractor or N series tractor brake adjustment. A lot easier than taking the wheel off. Still a pain in the butt. So enjoy.